Yo, what is up, everybody? It's your boy, Women Snappers, back again with another video. Today, ladies and gentlemen, I am here in another obby, and I would also like to give a shout out to a few people right now. Shout out to Ape Exor and Evan the Gamer. And Marcus Games. I would like to shout out those people. Also, I'm also shouting out my Roblox username because he is honestly the best player so far in this. I will not be doing an obby, but because I died twice. But what I will be doing, guys, is what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be just walking around doing some shout outs. There's also shout outs to Portsy Zap, Mun 2822, 558 Star, Weenie God, FKN Zemo, Man HTRN, Gernard, it's really hard to say your name, Ultra Super Players, Gazang _ Catching 321, Fida Geo 5555, Makolo, and Arbra Jones. So, those are the daily shoutouts for this. I would also like to say, my Roblox username you do not suck, you are a good YouTuber. So, guys, I will be just chilling, doing my own thing, walking around and I'll be doing some recording. Shout out to Makemon, Fresh _ Effect, Striped Sweaterfish, and Sevens. Shout out to those people. Also, shout out to a few of these players too, because they're awesome too. So shout out to them. If you guys want to be featured in my next video or get a shout out, leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment down below what you would like to see in a video. Right now, we're just chilling in the obby right now. And if you want to friend me on Discord, my Discord is Minecraft Gamer #8003. I will not be changing it from this point on. I will not be changing my Discord name from this point on. Right now we're choosing an obstacle to play right now, and I want to see what this really leads to. Okay. Okay. So, if you guys are not subscribed, please subscribe to me. I'm very good, because it's very good. I think in all honesty, guys, this will be my first ever obby anyways, to be honest. But I died. Oh well, I died. But basically, shout out to these people because they're awesome, and I would also like to give another shout out to I'm King Dap Player YT, Kuro Okami, Shout out to Leo Ski 90 2_22, Galaxy Gamer _YouTube, Evan 121214, Tommy 5982, Jessica J12, HQ Baller, Royal Burning Hot Productions, Mussy 549, Mr. Penguin, Tasty Nuggets, Not a Pikachu Transformer Gaming YouTube, Phoebe, Young Sauce 2X, Lucas Gaming, Kermit the Gangster, Drew 056, J7 Orange, or J Orange, yeah, J7 Orange 777, Tiger, XX Tiger XX, a Naruto person, Elroy YT Savage, Babe Bod, Yummy Mash, Box GD, Limited Killer Gaming, Trollman 114, Noah, Noah_Jacob, Jailbreak OG, Cameron Gamer 234, Braden 21 Savage, It's Me Kayvon, Direct Eye, Meme Breaker Unknown, Jupiter Glitchy, Markney, Dirty Pig 4456, Cammy _No Friend, Arose, Zach, Samesha, Crushed, Cookie Gamers, Senpai Legend, Ndog/Noah, Green Monkey 318, Mashed Potatoes, Supreme Grindex, this is a username, Will Midget, Till Goal Gaming Staff Chat, Gamer _Kid, LD12602, Irish Potato, Laser Miner, Eve, Myth, Cloud, Steam, Powered Trash, Gaming with Master, Patrick Star, Funny Times, Tar Steel, Dragon, I don't even know, Curstos, the Ultimate Oofer, Devasco, Dodge Dollar, and Danny the Pro. Those are the only users that I will basically be shouting out. Please subscribe. Yeah, please subscribe. And, yeah, I think I specified the subscribe, turn on post notifications. Leave a like on the video. Let's get this video to 10k likes if we can. And let's also get me to 110 subscribers because I'm on the road to 110 now. So please get me that. And without further ado, yeah. Which brother? Well, tell your brother to sub back to me because I do have good content. Well, tell him to subscribe back to me. Tell him now. Okay. Hello guys. Anyways, yes, this is a very good spot, the winner's spot. Very good spot. Very good spot to be in. It's a very good spot to be in. Look at this. Who's on the fun zero? Ho, ho, ho. We got the winners. Yay. Okay, so I'm going to get the super speed boost. Yes. Okay. Penguin planes. I don't know. That's the obby that we're going to be doing. I don't know. Oh. Choose the, I have 104. Choose the right sub. Yeah. What? Is he gonna subscribe back or not? Tell him I do it or else I hack him. And not for good. Yeah, he just heard that. I knew he would hear that. So, yeah, that's what I thought, buddy. Tell your brother also to friend me on Discord if he has it. Okay, then never mind on that. But the subscription will be good. So, anyways, guys, this will end off the video. I think this will end off the video. But be sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a like on this video, and also comment down below what I should do. And, let's get this video to, I don't know, let's get this video to about 10K likes if we can. And I will see you guys on next time. Bye!